Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your expense transactions onto the EveryDollar application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EveryDollar app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the home page. Now, within this page, you will find the transactions option at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on the plus button. This will take you into the Add Transaction menu. Make sure to choose Expense from the top option, and then the current date will be selected automatically. You can tap on this date to choose any date that you want, and underneath this you can enter the amount. After this, on the Merchant section, you will need to enter the receiver's name, and you may also assign it to any category within your budget item. Then enter the check number if you want, and you can also add a personal note for yourself. Finally, you can tap on the Done button at the top right corner, and now this will add your expense onto your transactions menu right away. You can add multiple expenses to your account by following the same method. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your expense onto the EveryDollar application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.